when citizens save a cop's life.
Okay, left leg. Right there. Okay, above the knee, above the knee.
In moments of crisis, unexpected heroes sometimes emerge from the crowd. When an officer's life is on the line, it's not just the badge that steps up. In this incredible video, brave citizens risk everything to save a cop in need, proving that courage and quick thinking aren't limited to those in uniform. Case number 1, filmed in Rockdale, Illinois on December 8, 2021. A routine stolen vehicle report turned chaotic in Rockdale when 49-year-old Donald Lee Hudgens, a repeat offender, became the prime suspect. On December 8th, Rockdale Sergeant Robert Bakey spotted Hudgens driving the stolen SUV. When confronted, Hudgens fought back, escalating the encounter into a struggle.
Stop right there. Put your hands up. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Face down. Face down. Hands up your head.
LCC Rockdale 762 traffic. 924 Morgan. 924 Morgan.
Number do you iterate it?
601 Road. If anybody's showing a truck 99 vehicle. Got one running. Got one running.
Put your hands up. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What'd I do?
Get on the ground. Face down.
What'd I do?
Face down.
What'd I do?
Hands on your head. Don't you move.
I'm not moving.
LCC Rockdale 762 traffic.
What did I do?
Traffic.
You got the camera
924 Morgan. 924 Morgan.
Hell no, man.
Don't fucking move.
What the f did I do, bro?
Don't move.
What did I do? Why you got me on the ground?
I'll talk to you in a second. Get down.
I'm not doing anything, bro. What did I do? I swear to God. Let go. Let go of me, man. I'm telling you, you're going to jail.
Yeah, I'm going to jail.
Yeah, I didn't do shit. Man, get the f off me, man. Get the f
Got one running.
With unexpected help from a nearby citizen, Sergeant Bakey managed to subdue him, all captured on body camera.
Got one running.
You're going to jail, bro.
Get down.
Yo, get the camera.
Get down. Get down on the ground.
You can't come into my house.
Oh my God! Stay out of it! I don't want to use this. It's my son.
I'm having a heart attack. I'm having a heart attack.
Down on the ground.
I'm having a heart attack.
Good, bro?
I'm having a heart attack. I got heart problems. I got heart problems.
Hold on.
Call an ambulance, please.
I'm going to call an ambulance.
Please,
Stop.
I'll cuff up. Call an ambulance. Stop. I'm stopping. I'm stopping, man. Cuff me up. Cuff me up, please. Cuff me up. Cuff me up, please.
Get on your stomach.
I can't breathe. Can't breathe.
All right, I'm going to cuff you up.
Cuff me.
Relax.
Cuff me up, please. Cuff me up. Cuff me up, please. Please, sir. Please, sir. I can't breathe.
Give me your other arm. Give me your other
No
arm.
problem, no problem.
Roll over on your stomach.
I'm sorry.
All right, roll over on your stomach.
No problem. Cuff me up, sir. Cuff me up, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let go.
I can't breathe, sir. All right, I'm not doing it. Please, sir. I can't breathe. Please, sir.
LCC Rockdale 762.
Please call an ambulance, sir. Sir.
924 Morgan and Joliet. 924 Morgan and Joliet. One in custody.
Sir, can you pull my... I can't breathe,
Give me
sir.
a 52 rolling in your chest.
Oh, God, I can't. Sir. Help me.
I got an ambulance coming. Relax.
Sir.
Stay right there.
Sir. I can't breathe, sir. Please. What did I do, sir? What did I do? What did I do, sir? I can't breathe, sir. Please.
I got one more there.
Please, sir. Could you help me pull my pants up? Please, sir. I'm sorry, sir. You hear me?
Yeah.
It's like that.
Hudgens now faces multiple felony charges, with bail set at $350,000. This intense incident not only reunites a grateful business owner with his vehicle, but also serves as a sharp reminder: always lock up and never leave your keys behind. Case number 2, filmed in Reno, Nevada on January 8th, 2023. A routine call quickly turned into a nightmare for Reno police officers on the night of January 8th, 2023.
335, give me a shout.
Sorry, 2 males. They're running away with several firearms. Real, please stop! Reno, can I tell you about shot? 1078. Reno, can I tell? 2 suspects, both there. Rims up.
Copy, expedite Ramsey, 2 suspects, both.
No. Come to see you. Move. I can't. Just hold him. Okay. Hold him. I'm gonna need a tourniquet on my leg if you got one.
Okay, watch behind me. I don't have
Where
one.
is it?
I don't have one. Watch behind me. Watch behind me. You got a gun?
I do.
Okay.
Responding to reports of suspicious activity on Sky Valley Drive, officers arrived to find 2 male suspects. Within minutes, what started as an investigation erupted into a deadly exchange of gunfire, leaving 1 officer critically injured and 1 suspect dead. As the dust settled, Reno's law enforcement community was left reeling, with one of their own fighting for his life in the hospital.
Give me a belt. Something we can make tight.
You guys stay out from over there. Stay out.
Wait,
Go around the building.
Yeah,
Go around the building.
Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. Thank you. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I need to wrap it around my partner's leg.
Where? Show me where.
Where, buddy? What do we need? Okay,
Left leg.
right there.
Tourniquet on my
Okay,
left leg,
above the
please.
knee. Above the knee, please. Thanks, sir. Hey, ma'am, can you watch this way for me, please? The bad one is upstairs to the right.
Scott?
I don't know.
Where's his tourniquet?
He doesn't have one.
He doesn't have one.
Belt's over there.
Get belt! Get belt!
Right there.
Belt's right here on the ground. Right here.
Right here, right here.
Right here.
Yeah, I got him. Okay.
Watch him.
Hey, can you watch with her that way? Top left. No, top right, farther away. We're at 335 for 43. I got 3 armed citizens helping me cover.
335, please. Great. Where exactly are you?
He had his belt.
He's right here. One's right here.
His belt. Guard that way. Guard that way.
And we're at 335. We are code 4 with Sarge.
Left leg, babe.
I got cover on the 2, but be aware there are 3 armed citizens with me.
Copy, 3 armed citizens with you, and you're near D. David, correct?
In between the buildings, south of the playground.
Come back here.
Copy.
I got you.
Sir,
Stance.
going tight, please. Okay, he hasn't been moving. He just stopped moving.
Do not move. Keep your hands where we can see them. Take that guy long. Yeah, I got hands. Roll to your stomach. Roll to your stomach. Roll to your stomach. Come on, dude. Roll to your stomach. Roll him to the side. Here, keep it. On your side. Roll on your side. Sir, stay in the entrance to the apartments.
In this officer-involved shooting in Reno, one of the suspects has been confirmed deceased at the scene, although his identity is being withheld pending notification of next of kin. The second male subject involved in the incident was transported to a local hospital for treatment. Case number 3. Filmed Skegness, United Kingdom on August 19, 2022. The suspect, whose identity remains undisclosed, was recorded engaging in a series of reckless maneuvers, including excessive speeding and dangerous U-turns, in a desperate bid to escape the pursuing police officers.
Left, general direction towards Butlins.
In a dramatic turn of events in Skegness, Lincolnshire, a reckless driver was brought to justice thanks to the brave actions of a bystander and the swift response of law enforcement.
Advance car, IPP driving, but teabagging in the passengers. Reason for stop is only female with insurance, male driver. Road conditions are dry, weather is clear, minimal traffic, no pedestrians. Current speed 70 in a 30, medium risk. Can I have authority for pursuit, please? Thank you. Speed now is 75 in a 30. Erratic driving, but he is on the correct side of his road. Oncoming traffic. He was offside, back onto the correct side. 70 in a 30, still medium risk, and the risk is due to speed. Can we get back onto impasse, please, and where they were about earlier? Stand by, they're coming to a stop. You're going to do reverse, mate, do you? Go on, mate. It's a recip, back towards Skegness BUA. We're just going back. Stand by. Go ahead.
The motorist, who was operating a Peugeot on false plates, embarked on a high-speed escapade, reaching alarming speeds of up to 80 miles per hour while evading police, showcasing the risks posed by dangerous driving in residential areas.
Right, reverse. Recip again, A52, back towards Butlins. Speed 40 in the 30, was high risk due to the recip, back down to medium risk. Again, very light traffic, vehicles correct side of the road, medium risk. Yeah, it's fitting with something in the passenger footwell. Speed has gone down to 30. Approaching the red ATS, the crossroads, Milleringham Mills on the old Roman Bank, stand by for direction. Pedestrian traffic is high. It's a right into a car park. It's going to be a decamp, stand by. It's really struggling for control.
His tyre's gone, mate.
Yeah, front offside tyre has gone. Hang on, mate. So, vehicle back to the crossroads. He's going straight over towards the seafront. Straight over towards the seafront. Heavy pedestrian traffic. We're trying to give him some space. Stand by for decamp. He's out on foot. We're down running. Running back towards the main road. Main road on Seabank. I believe I think he's gone to ground, mate. Hang on, mate. Go. Look over there, mate. Oh, you got to.
Come here, give me your hands down.
What are you on about? I'm pissed off.
I'll go back. Under arrest, mission failed to stop and dangerous driving at the minute, mate, okay?
With that clip, we've come to end of today's crazy episode. Hit that subscribe button for more viral Bodycam stories.